What's up riders, welcome back to another video in which I'll be giving my first impression on Sjcam Sj6 Legend, and this is my new action cam for my helmet over there. Well, I got this camera from BANGGOOD. I'll leave a link down in the description box. Please go and check it out. I got it with the mic. Now overall the cost of the camera and the mic was around 8,900, and I placed an order on the 31st of July. Now it came today, and means at the time of recording, and it took a lot of time. Now the reason for this is it got stuck in the customs, and boy, they take a lot of time in the customs, especially in India. Now you need to take care of one thing, like if you order anything from international market, you have to get it through the customs. Now there's no way of avoiding it. It will go through the customs and you will have to pay. Now it depends how you're going to pay. Like mine costed around 8k, so I had to pay a lot, like above 3k. Okay, and then if your order is around 1k, you'll have to pay maybe nothing. So it depends on the order, and like it's really up to them on the customs. If your luck is good, well and good. Now if you don't want to get it from an international market and all, and if you want to get it from in-house, then there's Amazon. Now on Amazon you're getting it around somewhere in 12,000. Before, when I was buying it, it was for around 20,000 something, so I couldn't buy it from there. But now you get it at 12,000, so I'll leave a link down in the description to that also for people who want it. So without further ado, let's get crack on my first impression on the Sj6. So now this is the box of it. Says Sjcam, then Wi-Fi, means you can connect it to your phone and see like live. Then you got 4K recording at 24 frames per second. At this price, amazing. Then gyro, so that you don't get that shaky video. Then 2 split screen, that is one over here and one at the back, and then 30-meter water resistance, that is with this case over here. Then you have got the contents, the cam and all the things. This one you'll actually mostly use. Then this is the waterproof case, and that too you'll automatically come to know. Then okay, there are some specifications over here. I don't know if you can see this properly or not. So it's in English, German and Russian. So for the people who want to know the specification, it has image sensor of 16 megapixel Panasonic. Then lenses are 166 degree A+ HD wide angle lens. Resolutions, images are from 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1.3 and VGA. Video 4K at 24 frames interpolated. Okay, 2K actual 2K at 30 frames per second. Then 1080 at 60 and 30, which I'm going to use the most for as a motovlogger. Then format in images you got JPG, good enough. Then video is MOV and MP4. Then battery is 1000 mAh removable battery, which is good if you are going for a longer trip and all. You can have 2-3 batteries with you. Storage supports up to 128 GB micro SD card. Now that is not included in the box. You'll have to get it from yourself, from the local dealer and all. Please, I suggest that you use a class 10, because at such high speed and high frame rate of the videos, you actually need a class 10. Then connections are mini USB, Wi-Fi, external mic and Sjcam remote control. That's optional, by the way. It's like a watch that you have to wear it over here, and you can control it from that. And oh, now you have to scan this over here. This is for that app, means what I was saying about Wi-Fi, it's for that. And let's open. So let's open up the box. How do I open? Oh, okay. Hello. So it's okay, it's just like that, and you got the box. and I opened it, and actually, to be honest, I had opened it before only. So this comes out. You can see the cam over here. Oh wow, actually it looks very premium, and it's pretty heavy. Like, yeah, it's heavy though. And okay, so actually we'll go on that a little later, and let's see what we get in house. So okay, we get a hose of stuff. So this is the charging cable or for the data transfer. Then you've got the 3M tapes. Now these are some really powerful tape, guys, so don't try to waste them. Then you have got a cleaning cloth, then the mount. These are actually curved mounts, okay, 3M taped curved mounts, which I'll be putting it on the helmet. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now by clicking the subscribe button down and press the bell icon. Moving on. So this is another mount. Then you've got a lot of mounts, and this is for the cycle handle one, or you can put it on your mirrors, like if you have a KTM, so well and good, or on the handle you can of any bike. Then this, oh, you got two of these, and these I'll keep it with that cam. Then you have got just a small screw mount and all. Then another mount, means you can use this with that other ones, same here. Wow, you have got actually a lot of mounts. Like, I don't think so I'll be needing this. And wait, another mount, another screw one. What is this? Waterproof case, touch back door, waterproof up to 10 feet, 3 meter. Okay, so I guess this is for the touchscreen one. Okay, and now, well, I'll put one on my helmet and one on Nikolai. And if you don't know who's Nikolai, then that's my bike Pulsar 150. Then the manual. Okay, you got in Russia and English. Well, everything you've got, like once you buy it, buttons and all, menu and all. Okay, so these are all what you get. Then this is the normal one which you'll be putting it. This is the waterproof case, and this is the normal case which you're not going to use it while raining and all. And for the mic, now maybe I haven't shown you the mic. Wait. Now this is the mic. Okay, and let's open. Okay, hey, wow, this is super easy. And this also goes over there. Bye, brothers. Wow, nice one. Well, this on BANGGOOD costed around 1250 rupees, and these are braided ones, so they are good. They won't tear as fast I was expecting it, so that's really good. And this is a USB type. Now let me inform you guys, if you're planning that if I don't buy the mic nothing happens, you need to buy a mic. See, you will be needing it over here. So now let's open this bad boy up. Okay, this is going to be a hustle for me. I almost got it. Yeah. Okay. I'll have to put a lot of force in it. And wow, this is actually pretty good. It's one single piece, very strong. Okay. So the camera is so well, I'll be removing this soon. This also, not this. Wow, it's so rubberish and very premium. It has a very premium feel to it. Let's see if it has any juice and all in it. Oh yeah, it does. Wow. So I don't know if my camera can do the justice to it. So as I said, it has a screen over here which will show. Okay, there's no card. Okay, I know that. And then light wheel, then the power button, the menu is the setting, the shutter button. So now please insert SD card. I'll do that in a minute or so. The video modes, now there's a video lapse, then slow race, still. I don't know if the camera is able to show you. Yeah, there you go. Video lapse, slow record, still, photo lapse, and burst mode. I'll get it back to normal. Then settings. Well, if you don't want to do it like that, you can either just scroll through it. Okay, it has its nice tone to it. Kitsch. Resolutions 4K 24 to 60 1080. Wow, you got a host of things. And I really love the touchscreen. It's really, I don't know what to say, it's like very sensitive, not sensitive, but it has a nice feel. No wait, for those who thinking that will it work with the gloves for the cam, I have a Sumoe gloves right here. Let's see, and the answer is no. It doesn't work. Well, no problem, as long as I have got my fingers with me. Format, gimbal control, FPV, TV mode, fast record, quick capture. This is a lot of things, and if you know how to use a GoPro, or you have used Sjcam before, or you have much more experience in whole cam, then this would be easy for you. Well, I'm not an expert in using one, so I wouldn't comment much. Language, English. Date and time, actually I've already got it set. So format, gimbal control, TV mode, it means you can connect it to your TV and all. Quick capture, front display, on off, you can do that. Auto power off means if it's inactive also. Keypad tones, light set, screensavers, to be honest, yeah. Frequency 50-60, rotate, logo watermark, no please, Wi-Fi. Now if you put this, you can set your Wi-Fi and connect to your phone. Now actually I can't show you that because I'm using my phone to record this video. Power on mode, default settings, version. So for the people who don't want to know what's the version, so it's version 1.5.1, and the date and the firm Sjcam. So you go back like this, back. Now let me see how you take a picture. Yeah, it's in still mode, you can take a picture. It's really good, guys. Actually my phone's camera is not showing that well, and if you see this, the front, wait, let me get it. Yeah, it shows 16 megapixel battery. And what else, you can zoom. Whoa, you know, the screen looks as though if you touch it now, it has that, like how sensitive screens do have. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please like, share, comment, and say whatever you feel about my reviews. And you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave a link down in the description box.